Hi, I am Maria Martinez, and this is my husband, Miguel. I'm from Saley, Texas. We are starting a snack truck business named Sweet Bendiciones. The main goal is to sell snow cones, fruit cups, and then integrate hamburgers, sausage on a stick, quick bites pretty much, and take it from there. What sparked my idea was my husband with his sweet tooth, always wanting some sweets, and of course my kids looking for the snacks. It's always been a little specialty of mine, putting the snacks together. I heard about rent-to-own trailers through Google actually. Rent-to-own trailers actually had some of the greatest reviews. They weren't wrong since we've been here. You guys have been amazing. Everything has been amazing. It's been a simple process. If you want to start your business, take a chance, risk it. It will be worth it as long as you work hard at it.
Start today. Visit renttoowntrailers.com. Hablamos Español.